Today, I'll walk you through how to turn on location on Snapchat for both iPhone and Android, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to enable your location settings so you can share your adventures with friends and family. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app. This is the colorful ghost icon that you likely have on your home screen. If you don't see it right away, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, just take a moment to locate it. Once you have the app open, tap on your profile icon. This is usually found in the top left corner of your screen. It might be your Bitmoji or a silhouette if you haven't set one up yet. This step will take you to your profile page where you can access various settings. Next, tap on the settings gear located at the top right corner of your profile page. This is where all the magic happens. Think of it as the control center for your Snapchat experience. Now scroll down the settings menu until you find the option labeled See My Location. This is an important step as it allows you to manage who can see where you are. Don't worry if this takes a moment, take your time to find it. Once you locate See My Location, tap on it. Here, you'll see an option to turn off ghost mode if it's currently on. Ghost mode prevents others from seeing your location, so if you want to share your whereabouts, make sure to toggle this off. And there it is, you can now see who can see your location. This feature allows you to choose specific friends or groups who can view your location on the map. It's a great way to stay connected with friends while ensuring your privacy. In summary, we've covered how to turn on location on Snapchat for both iPhone and Android. Remember, enabling your location can enhance your Snapchat experience by allowing friends to see your adventures in real time. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.